Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download the website backup from Hostinger. So first of all, log into the Hostinger account and then go to the hPanel dashboard and then navigate to files and then backup. Choose the backup that you want to download, e.g. website files or databases, and then click download button next to the desired backup and then save the downloaded backup file to your computer. This will allow you to download a copy of your website's backup from Hostinger. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you